Okay, so here's how a spark machine works. In other words, how a cold spark machine works. So what you're looking at is the interior of the spark machine. You're looking at the drive gear that turns the corkscrew on the heater coil, which is the gear that just started spinning. And behind that and above it is the little funnel where the granules go down into the heating coil chamber. As we scroll down here, you're going to see the drive motor at the bottom, which is the small gear turning the chain. That small gear turning the chain is the drive motor. The chain turns. You have your circuitry on the left-hand side. And then you have your main drive shaft at the top, which has the corkscrew on it that screws the granules into the chamber where the blower blows them up. Off to the top left, you see a round piece. That's the drive motor that drives the granules from that reservoir, which is the black piece in the center, into the little round, shiny circle piece behind those grates, where it falls down into the heater coil and then gets pushed back into the blower area that blows it up and out of the top that you see now.